Sometimes you need to show the app that you're building to your customer or other stakeholders. So deploy that app from your computer to an internet server can be time consuming and you are like, I have to install the server and the dependencies. I don't want to do that. To avoid that situation, you can use Ngrok. With Ngrok, you will have the app that you're building on your computer ready on internet, public, without all the work involved on the deployment. Before going deep, let me explain the concept of proxy. That is an internet server that works as a gateway between 2 points on internet. I will give you an example. On a corporate network, when the users browse the web, all the data pass through a proxy. So that proxy captures the petition of the users. So it goes to the web page and decides to filter and deny the access to malicious page like the gore pages or phishing pages. So for the users, the proxy is transparent. He or she can work without interruptions and doesn't need to know the configuration of the proxy. Ngrok is a proxy in a reversed way. You can publish your web services that run on your computer. That means that when you publish your web service through Ngrok, many people or other apps can access to it and use it like using Ngrok. And they will be redirected to the server in your computer. To install Ngrok, you will search on Google, then go to the downloads page. Once you are in that page, you will see two methods to install Ngrok. I will use apt method. So I will copy that command and then paste it to my terminal. There will be a load or output and I'll wait to finish the installation, okay? Once the installation is finished, you can check by typing ngrok -b. The next step is to create an Ngrok account on their website. Go to the top of the page and click on the Sign Up button. There you can fill the form, or also you can use your GitHub account or your Google account. When you are authenticated on the Ngrok platform, they will give you the Authtoken key so you can connect your terminal to the Ngrok platform. Now I will copy the Authtoken from the website and then paste it to my terminal. We are ready now to take action with Ngrok. As you can see, I'm trying to access to localhost on the port 8080. To enable that service, I will use a Docker container with the Tomcat image and redirecting the 8080 port. I check the port using docker ps command and we can see that I have already published the 8080 port. As you can see too, that the service on the port 8080 is listening for incoming requests. As a final test, I will reload my web browser to see that the service is already running on my computer. With my service running, I will publish now on internet using Ngrok, and it's pretty straightforward. To do that, I will just type Ngrok http and the port 8080 and enter. And voila! I have now the Ngrok console with the URL that Ngrok gives me. You can see I have now some statistics here. We are ready now to use the URL that Ngrok gave me. So let's test it on the web browser. You may get this message or your customer may get this message. Just tell him or tell her that just click on the button that to visit your website or your web app. On the console you can see that there is one person connected When the connection is closed, the statistics update very quickly. How much costs Ngrok? You can use it for free for casual use, but there's also some professional licenses for more professional use.